the Cigar Oasis Ultra Humidifier. This humidifier is perfect for humidors from about 25 cigars up to around 100 cigars. Inside the box, you'll get the electric humidifier unit with the built-in water cartridge, the battery pack, which comes pre-installed with AA batteries, a power cord, a paper-thin ribbon cable with an adapter, and a magnet and metal plate. To use this humidifier, what you're going to want to do is, if you push this little tab in, your water cartridge pops out. This comes pre-filled with distilled water and an antifungal agent. When it runs out, you can just simply refill it up at the top. The water cartridge snaps into place. It's held firmly in place. On the back of the humidifier, you would attach either the metal or the magnet piece, and the other side would go into your humidor, so this could sit up on the humidor. If you're going to use the battery pack, the back of the battery pack has Velcro pieces. You would attach this. Most people put this either inside the humidor or outside the humidor. You plug the little cord into your adapter cable, and this adapter cable then powers the unit. If you're putting this on the outside, this slips right through your hinge. It's paper thin, so it's not going to affect the hinge at all, or the seal. If you're going to use AC power, you plug this into the wall, and then this end would go into the adapter, and you do the same thing. This demonstration will use the battery pack. You connect the battery pack, your paper thin cord, and on the side you'll see the plug for the adapter cable. Plug it in, the unit will now turn on. The fan is located here to push the air around the humidor, and you can adjust your humidity with the up and down buttons, and the unit will turn itself on or off when it reaches the desired humidity level. It also has a button that you can use to turn the display on or off. So this will be mounted to your humidor. This cord will be running most likely to the back of your humidor. This would be on the outside of your humidor. So it's pretty easy to use. It sits out of the way, and it provides great humidity for the small to medium sized humidor. This is the Cigar Oasis Ultra Humidifier.